Hello, I'm Jeff Smith, VP and GM of WNS Lowry. Happy New Year from our team to yours. As we start 2026, I'm excited to give you a look at what we've been up to this past year. We've significantly expanded our Marsh, Bellofram oil and gas manufacturing facility here in OKC, growing from 40,000 square feet to 73,000. This OKC facility is home to WNS Lowry, Bell Gas CP, Easy Flow Control, and Bell Gas FM products. We've doubled our warehouse space to ensure each basin is well stocked and ready with the products you need when you need them. We also have a state-of-the-art assembly area, a welding center, and multiple paint booths. We've invested in a dedicated safety relief valve room where we assemble, test, and precisely set our relief valves to your specifications. And we have a top-notch machine shop where we manufacture our made in the USA portion of our product line. We are also in the process of renovating and expanding our break room and adding more office and conference room space on the second floor. Soon, we'll begin construction on our training room. This expansion allows us to better serve you, our valued customers. With increased capacity, we can maintain larger inventories, reduce lead times, and continue to provide the high-quality products and services you expect from WNS Lowry. Stay tuned in 2026 as we complete our expansion and continue to work developing new products and innovations in automation. Thank you from all of us at WNS Lowry.